Hey guys, welcome back. Let me hit you with a holiday reality check. Christmas is basically tomorrow, your cafe wants a cute festive menu, your boss suddenly remembers you exist and demands team building posters, and your family expects those custom Christmas cards that look expensive, even though your wallet is literally screaming. And you have zero design skills. Perfect. That's exactly why I want to show you Dreamina, because this thing turns one person into a full Christmas ad factory. Let's dive in. Dreamina runs on both Nano Banana Pro and Dream 4.0, so when you type a simple text prompt, you get full 4K commercial images. No design experience, no Photoshop layers, no Canva rage. Just type what you need and watch it appear, ready for Instagram, TikTok, print, whatever. Let me show you how crazy this gets. First, the Zero to Pro feature. This is magic for small shops. You can type something simple like festive coffee menu, and Dreamina builds a full Christmas-themed poster that looks like a paid designer spent hours on it. We tested it with a friend's bakery. They had no time, no budget, nothing. In 10 seconds, Dreamina delivered a full Christmas pastry poster. Matching colors, matching vibe, everything needed for the holiday rush. Another example. One of my subscribers runs a small office team. Every year they struggle with Christmas event materials, invitations, elevator posters. We tried Dreamina for fun. One sentence later, they had a full set of clean, branded visuals that looked like an agency did it. They literally printed them the same afternoon. And family stuff? Dreamina saves you too. I tested Christmas card designs, and instead of those boring templates everyone uses, Dreamina generated unique card styles, cozy backgrounds, animated sparkles, even a custom wish list layout. If you have kids, you already know how valuable that is. Now let's talk about the killer feature. If you are still dragging elements around, aligning text, fighting with templates, stop torturing yourself. Dreamina makes hyper-realistic commercial images in 10 seconds. For Christmas decorations, gift ideas, tree setups, you can even take a photo of your living room and let Dreamina redesign it into a magical Christmas interior. One of my favorite tests was transforming a plain tree into 4 totally different styles, from Nordic white to full Santa chaos. And for fashion lovers, Dreamina becomes your Christmas stylist. You can test outfits, makeup looks, nail art, all from a single photo. It builds polished try-ons instantly. Perfect if you want to plan Christmas dinner outfits or coordinate family photos. The pros are obvious. Anyone can produce pro-level Christmas visuals instantly. Social media ads, product shots, decorations, invites, cards, everything. The only downside is if you love manual design control, you might miss tweaking every tiny detail. But honestly, the speed and quality completely overshadow that. So there you go. One person plus Dreamina really is a full creative team this Christmas. If you are drowning in holiday tasks, this tool will save you real time and real money. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe, and check the link in description. More AI tools and creative hacks are coming. Stay creative and enjoy the holiday season.